Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to create a radio button or option button within the Python GUI. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to import two of the packages from tkinter library. tkinter is the library with the help of which we can create a GUI within the Python. So we will write from tkinter import static. So why we have written here static? Because by writing this static, all the functions and methods and all these things within this tkinter library are now exposed to our programming window. Now we can use them all. One more thing, that if you want to import one other module from tkinter, you also can. Okay, like here we are just going to import this message box package as well. Okay, so these are just the imports. You are not supposed to worry about them. Okay, so these are just like the header files, just like in C. Okay, now we will write root is equal to tk. Now what is the meaning of this thing? Root is a variable. This is assignment operator, and we have equalized this thing to tk. tk is a function which will create a GUI for us. Okay, so this is a blank GUI. Okay, root dot main loop, this is actually a blank GUI, and we have assigned tk function to the root variable. Okay, we can change the name of the root if we want. Okay, like root underscore 1, and here also root underscore 1. Okay, you can write anything here instead of this. So okay, now this like this. Okay, so our blank GUI is created. Now we are going to create one label, because apart from what's called as the push button, we also need one label in order to give certain title or question to the GUI. We need to write label. So we will write root here, because label needs to be on somewhere. Okay, so it is our root underscore 1 GUI, root underscore 1, and what you need to write on this text, on this label. So in text we will write, please choose a pet. That what sort of pet you want, please choose a pet. And dot peg function we will write after this, because this will help us to place this label on the GUI. So we will write dot peg. Okay, so our label will be created. So we will write it. Now you can see that our label is created. So please choose a pet. After this, for radio button we will write radio button. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, this is a function, label is a function, and all these are the parameters. Okay, they are called as the parameters which are inside the parentheses. Okay, dot peg is also a function. Radio button is also a function which will create a radio button for us. Okay, so okay, so this thing. Okay, and you can see that still the radio button is not shown here. So we will write dot peg, and now after it, either you will see, yes, now you can see your radio button, but it is not doing anything. Okay, so in order to make it work, we will insert some sort of parameters inside these parentheses. So we will write root underscore 1 text is equal to Kate. Okay, if you want to write, we can write Kate. Okay, so on it, Kate indicate as a text is displayed on this radio button. Okay, and if you want to if you want to set the value is equal to 1, so what it will do, it will just simply whenever it will be clicked, okay, value is equal to 1, make it first it is not clicked, and when we will click it, okay, so then it is going to set its value. Okay, so command is equal to good. Okay, and what it needs to do, okay, this will be decided by this command, which is actually the callback, that whenever it is going to be clicked, then after what it will do. Okay, so command is equal to good means that it is a callback. It is a callback function for this button, okay, radio button. So we will write def good these brackets, and okay, now what is this? This is a user defined function. We have made one user defined function. Okay, so whenever the control will come on command is equal to good, now control will search that where it is written good. Okay, you can also write it good 1. Okay, because you can also write good underscore 1 because it is a user defined function, so we can change the name of the function if we want. Okay, so good underscore 1, so control will search and will see that good underscore 1 is written here. So here, okay, good underscore 1. So now it will execute all these statements that will be under the body of this function, that is good underscore 1. So message box dot show info. Okay, show info Kate. Okay, now whenever our text radio button will be clicked, okay, control will see that what it is written in the command it is written good underscore 1. Control will go to this good underscore 1 and will see what is going to be executed, so this thing will be executed. Okay, whenever the control will start from the from the first line, after this line control will skip this thing. Okay, because functions until they used to be called, they are not supposed to be executed. Okay, control will skip this, okay, and come towards this, and then when radio button is clicked, then our this function will be executed. Okay, so now we need to run it out. Now you can see that when we will click this cat, you can see that our what's called as the message box is popped up. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.